Hello everyone, today I want to share a Chinese family favorite dish, chicken wings cooked with cola. It's definitely delicious. This dish is especially loved by kids. The wings are sweet, shiny, and so tasty. If you cook this dish for children, they will praise you like a great chef. It's simple to make, and it always brings big smiles to the table. Let's see how it's made. First, we need about 12 chicken wings. Make a few cuts on both sides of each wing. This helps them absorb the sauce. Put the wings in cold water with some ginger and cooking wine. When the water boils, blanch them for 2 minutes. Then transfer them into cold water and use a napkin to dry the skin. Heat some oil in a pan and add a few slices of ginger. Put the wings in and fry them on both sides until golden brown. See, like this. Now add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 250 milliliters of cola. Cover the pan, set it on medium heat, and let them simmer for about 10 minutes. The cola will slowly reduce into a shiny, sticky sauce. Stir the wings so they are coated all over. When the sauce is reduced like this, it's done. Look at these wings, glossy, tender, and delicious. Finally, sprinkle some sesame seeds on the wings. And that's it, cola chicken wings. The cola makes the sauce sweet and rich. This dish is so easy, but the taste is unforgettable. My daughter can't wait to eat it. With a cup of cola on the side, it's a wonderful moment. If you love chicken wings, you should definitely try this recipe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.